Only 3 of them. Should be pretty good. Pallets are gonna have to go on the pickup truck, buddy. Look at that thing from over here. And then she's crying because Maverick needs Jesus. Shut her up. Buttercup, this side first.
Dude, let me sleep a little longer.
Yo, so as soon as you get this ram built, we're gonna go ride. Should be able to leave in no time, right?
We'll attach that with the nipple.
Look at that, the Rocky Mountain boys are
It's basically the same thing.
walking him right through it.
Hole it lines up with, and the pattern turns out to be every 4th hole.
Put some elbow grease in it, kid.
We're going to follow that pattern to attach the rest of the outer spoke.
I do, and then he starts.
Here, let's see a good wheelie. Pull that thing up. Oh! Oh! Nice. Oh! Topping her off. That's how you keep the jumps watered, kids. Big corner. Sit down. Brace yourself. There you go. Got them all topped off.
Oh, yeah.
Honestly, I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is he my friend or my foe? I'm a ex draw. Yeah, she gave me that chaos roll. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly, I'm rock, Bambi. Baby's yellow, taxi. She wanna eat me like candy. Run up the racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big fat, she read the dick, 6 flags. Ballin' like, think, told her I love her. I ain't really mean that, yeah. Nowadays these people are funny. Remember way back, she was love. These bitches sneaky can't cover. I got 4 hoes that went top. I remember. Remember I was selling dog food, no kibbles, just to get me some skrilla. Remember I was really on the block like Tetris, just to get me some chip. Surfing, rockin' the parking lot, my weed louder than like the gay bubble lot. I be on her mind like non-stop, yeah, had to cut the little thought, no tomahawk. Remember smoking blunts with my friends, sex a couple of days, yeah, lost a lot to the fan. That's the shit got me upset, but it ain't been fun.
Man down. Oh, my God. Oh!
It's about to be dangerous now. Oh my God, I can't believe we're all the way over here. Should we go back? No, we'll stay. Let's keep going. Oh shoot, this thing died. Here we go. No blood. One coming in. Another one over the finish line. Oh,